So a lot of people ask me about the difference between thinning hair and breakage. There is a huge difference between the two. So in this video, we're going to talk about the difference between thinning hair and breakage. I'm Dr. Nina, and on my channel, we talk about using functional medicine, hair health, and a holistic lifestyle to be your best self. So when we look at thinning hair, you want to take a look at your hair as a whole, like the thickness, like has the density changed in your hair. Thinning hair can also cause a whole bunch of shedding where you're going to see like long hairs. Breakage is a little bit different because breakage is, now you're looking at the length of your hair and you're noticing that the hair is breaking off. So the difference between the two can be sometimes is that thinning hair can be that there is some type of nutritional deficiency that's taking place on the inside or some health imbalances and is causing your hair to thin. And breakage too at times that I've seen where low vitamin C levels or there was, I would say, vitamin D, vitamin C levels, just a lot of like mineral nutritional deficiencies can cause the hair to become like really dry and break off, even needing more biotin. But one is density and one is my hair breaking off and getting shorter and shorter. Both is important because breakage can also be a sign that there is something that's taking place inside the hair follicle that we need to address to stop the hair from breaking. So I've seen in cases, for example, huge with CCCA, where in the crown area, one of the first signs is that the hair will break. It'll grow, it'll fall off, it'll break, or it'll get shorter and shorter and it'll stop growing. So that is a sign of breakage. Where thinning is, you can part your hair and you're noticing that your parts is wider, less dense, it's getting really thin. So that is the difference between the two. Definitely want to take both of these serious. And then also with hair breakage as well as thinning, if you are getting styling practices that's putting a lot of tension on your hair, it can thin your hair out as well as cause breakage. So I hope this video was informative. If you feel like you are having thinning hair or breakage or you're confused, and if you'd like to have a consultation, feel free to book an evaluation and I'll be happy to help you. Please like and subscribe, and until next time guys, take care.